chat. Okay, let me check. I think we will going to even this continue on this way. We stopped actually. Yes. Yeah, we are learning about yesterday, into which I streamed about how can we implement the what is decorator and all we are understanding yesterday. So if we go to that article here, here clearly written decorator, but just I want to know that it's gone. Yes. We are understand learning about this decorator. What is decorator? How it is? We'll discuss it later. Before that, let me check once my screen is properly visible or not. Hmm. And I don't know how to type. If my audio is wait, let me put in a message. I don't know. We are on live. Stream is going on. I want to see how my content is looking. I think screens are a little bit. I think. If I am clearly audible, please let me know. I think it's fine. This is good. And one more point. Here. One second. Oh, I can't type on it. I can see the chats only, right? Here. If anybody have any ideas, so if I can type here or I can only able to see it or like see the chats or not able to type it. So if any have any idea, and I am feeling that my OBS is little bit making things more blurry. So how can I fix it out? Please let me know. Okay, now we can start this. This is a message. This is not required right now. My audio is audible. Desktop audio not record. Okay. Uh, mm, Now we are good. Quality is decreasing. I don't know why, but yes. Just go to YouTube Studio. Details, HTTP endpoint, visibility public. Channel content not. Is zero views. Live dashboard. Yes, this is good. Live is going on here. No webcam, and I can able to put my sounds are excellent, I think. Am I properly audible? Let me test this point. Actually, am I properly audible or not? There are no. Yes, this is good. Line is going on here. No webcam. And I can do it. If my screen is looking blurry or something, please let me know also. My sounds are excellent. Am I properly audible? Yes, this is good. Okay, let's continue. We will discuss now about that. Till yesterday what we discussed is we come up to this fast API, we implemented this, right? And we are thinking that what is this fast API, the class, and it has this instance in this. So okay, so everyone knows about class and instance, but yes, we will discuss someday about class and instance, how it is used in Python. But today, anyhow, we are implementing fast API, so I don't think to go on that point. But yes, in the meanwhile, whenever I will face any issues with understanding of any concepts, I will go into it and I will explain it clearly. And I will uh, like this app.get/help API. So so app @ app app.get app dot alt alt left app.get slash health health. Okay, we'll understand this. So what is at the rate? At the rate is the decorator. Called it at the rate is called as decorator. So what is the meaning of the decorator? Generally, we call it as a wrapper. Okay. So how it works? So I will go to the will search about what is decorator. What is decorator in Python? Not this, not this, decorator for beginners. Forward search button sites. Decorator is for beginners. I have a simpler example. Okay, I think this is good. Okay, let's go with it. Okay. In the world of programming, decorators can be elegant and powerful tool in the hands of experienced developers. Decorators give you the ability to modify the behavior of the function without altering their source code, providing a concise and flexible way to enhance and extend their functionality. This is the definition that we obviously. This is the English statement. Decorators give you the ability to modify behavior functions. What is that? What is the behavior functions? Okay. Without altering their source code. Okay, we understood that. Which source code? There are functions like behavior functions. Okay. Function we write, their function behavior we don't want to modify. But sorry, their source code we don't want to modify, but their behavior we want to modify. Okay. Providing a concise and flexible way to enhance and extend their functionality. Like if a function have some, as you know, every function have some operations. So to increase their operations, to increase their functionality, we need the decorators. This is the overall thing. But I already have one example. Let me check. Yesterday I searched already about it. So let's go to directly so that it will fast forward about the exact implementation. Uh, hmm, what happened? My screen is blinking multiple times. Dev.2. Okay. So good article you can keep it. Dev.2. He explained I can make it fast actually. Two slash decorator slash decorators decorators. Dev to decorators. I think this one. Python decorators. Mm, Unlocking the magic of decorators. Unlocking the magic of decorators. Magic of decorators in fast API. Fast API. So here it shows us this. Started playing around with the first API or even just seen some code examples. You probably let's break 1 second. Oh yes. Okay. Check this out. This also. Okay, let's go. Okay. So it is saying that okay. So the at the rate symbol introduce something called decorator. And trust me, understanding decorators is unlocking a secret superpower in your Python coding journey, especially with fast API. What is decorator anyway? The same thing I told you right today. Wrapper told about it. And generally in the terms we say it is adding the new behavior to the original function without changing the function code. So maybe there are it's a special kind of function obviously. The decorator we say is a special kinds of function. So the point is here that what? So there are two methods. For example, method A, method if method A is a decorator, and if you use it on the top of method B, then it will add additional function and we don't need to modify it in the method B. So let's implement it like how it is happening. A simple decorator how it is. Let's implement this code. Let's go to this chart and in class here. Mm, Python file deco decorator. So let's cancel. So let's think about it. So there is a function called hello world. Okay, let's create a function of addition. Okay, def first let's create a def add two numbers NBRS. And just do that one thing. A equals to 5, B equals to 7, C equals to A plus B. Is the correct code? Yes, it is. What? Why error? Why we are getting errors? No, we are all getting errors. Let's go. We want to print the C, okay, but we will not print it here. So let's dump it. Okay, no, not. Like this, we will add one decorator. So first create a decorator. Say def print numbers. Print numbers, numbers, and it will take a function as parameter. Inside it, one functionality is there. Let's say any functionality. The wrapper is the name, just print functionality. Let's say print functionality. So here it will, what it will do? It will first print two numbers. Print two numbers. Print sum of two numbers. Now we need to execute this function and see function, call it this function, and then its output we need to use it. Print sum of C. Print the number. Let's check the AI ones. Before that, let me just add that. Call it database AI. Lag in my stream, I think. 2 seconds. Quality is too much increasing. Let's make this for the full screen. Full screen. Then yes. User, let me check why my video quality is decreasing. Let me check this. One second, hold on for some moment. Let me check. YouTube Pro. Good. Few more minutes. Will you wait? Something. Stream quality. CPU usage. So let's see here. Full screen. Tab. current output resolution setting and exactly capturing the full screen. Okay, I know about it. Screen. Green. This is live only I can do it and screen path, screen path. No, I think it will be good, but let me see things to screen. So, why my screen got blank? I'm restarting my stream once again.